Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be putting my hair into jumbo kinky twists using the Darling natural twists. I'm going to be using 2 packs, so if this is something you'd like to see, then please keep watching. So I wanted something quick, big and slightly messy, which is why I decided to go for jumbo kinky twists. So what you see me doing here is putting my hair into sections. I cut out a front section and divided that front section into half. So I'm taking one of the front halves and cutting it into 5 chunky sections. So I already mentioned the hair I'm going to be using is the Darling natural twist. It claims to be 20 inches long. I'm taking 2 sections of that and fluffing it out. And now I'm going to take one of the 5 sections that I cut out and apply my leave-in conditioner to it. Then I'm going to twist up that chunky section and then loop the kinky extensions over the section, using that section as the 3rd leg and form a braid. Now when I get to the end of the twist in my own hair, I'm going to split the 2 halves of my hair and add it to the sections of the kinky hair and then twist it all the way down. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did in this next clip. I realize that it's not very clear and I'm sorry, but how I'm adding the extensions to my hair is I'm basically looping the extensions over the beginning of my own twist and then braiding it down as if I were doing, what we call calabar, yeah? And then when I get to the end of the twist in my hair, I'm going to take both legs of the twist and add it to the 2 legs of the kinky hair that I already have and use that to twist it all the way down. I hope you can see what I'm doing from this clip. Done with the front half of my hair, and I have used 1 entire pack, leaving me with just 1 pack for the back of my hair. If I were to do this hairstyle again, I would definitely double the number of packs that I use for this hairstyle because my hair is super full and it was peeking out through the extensions because they were not full enough to cover my own hair. So yeah, I would recommend using at least 3 packs for this hairstyle. Now that we are done twisting, we're going to move into trimming. So I'm taking the ends of the hair and just trimming off the excess bits of fluff to make it look a little neat. Once you're done trimming, that is it. This hairstyle took me only 3 hours and I have less than 30 sections in my hair because, like I said, I want something really big and chunky. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.